So can't you just take the cuffs off then?
For our sake right now, he's going to be detained. He's not a threat to us. We're not worried about him.
Well,
I don't care either.
So right now, let me ask you a question.
you might not care, but it's just not necessary.
Without any further RAS, it's a moving violation to have them detained in handcuffs. He's just waiting for a ride.
Just for our sake, though, we are going to have him detained. I appreciate it.
I mean, even if he decided, so if he's detained and he didn't have a ride and he decided he wanted to walk home.
We can give him a ride if he wants, but I think you got somebody coming.
But what I'm saying is if he decided he wanted to walk home, you would then take off the cuffs. So the cuffs really aren't necessary at this point.
I appreciate it.
All right.
I mean,
Well, maybe
if it's an officer safety thing, you can store that in your vehicle. That's how it's normally done. But you don't have any reasonable articulable suspicion for a crime. Legally, under California law, you can't detain him.
But he's detained right now. So that's
but you've cleared him, right?
No.
He's free to go.
But he's detained. So
But he's free to go. You cleared him.
he's not free to go yet. We haven't.
No.
He should be able to walk off right now.
He's not free to go yet. We're still having to finish everything up with the vehicle and then the citation that he's going to be receiving as well.
So no crime but detained.
Yes.
Leave these cops alone.
Look, we got a fucking bootlicker.
Just doing their job.
Got a bootlicker.
Thank you guys for what you do. Follow you around in your job, see how you like it.
She can report if she wants to report.
No, she can't report the police. That's
Yes, she
different.
can. It's not illegal. You come sue yourself. Walk away.
That's against the law.
Always film the cops. Always film the cops, sir.
So we need to stop being complacent, guys. This guy was okay with being cuffed, even though he no longer needed to be in cuffs. He was also okay with being in the sun, even though he was perfectly okay standing in the shade. If we don't use our rights, we lose them. These cops were flexing their badges. They mentioned that he no longer needed to be detained. He was just waiting for his ride. And then we have accountability for all coming in, playing the bootlicker role. It's fucking fantastic. Enjoy.
So when you transport a magazine, you can't have it so close to the firearm itself, right? You gotta have the whole thing in a locked box. It's secure away from the person. So you can't have it concealed by the door.
Right.
Easy access, right? Not saying you're gonna do it. Yeah, no, not saying you're gonna do it, but you understand where we're at. That's where I was at. Okay? I'm not worried about that. It's very simple. We want to someone's coming to get you, right? I'll see you. As long as you're good to go and anything else, we're going to get your documents. We're going to talk about the car. So, yeah, so we're going to talk about that. And then I'm going to inspect the firearm. I'm going to unload all the magazines, all the rounds of the magazine. Run in the back. Everything's going to go back. And you guys are going to take off.
So they're telling him how he needs to carry his.
She's just one of those agitators.
She's all right.
Leave these cops alone.
Look, we got a fucking bootlicker.
Just doing their job.
Got a bootlicker.
Thank you guys for what you do. Follow you around in your job, see how you like it.
She can report if she wants to report.
No, she can't report the police. That's
Yes, she
different.
can. It's not illegal. You come sue yourself. Walk away.
That's against the law.
Always film the cops. Always film the cops, sir.
That's against the law.
It's all right there.
I want to go say hi to her.
You should.
The only time I appreciate being short.
I'm just going to cut through here.
I think it's great that you were giving him info on how to hold the gun in the vehicle.
What was that?
I think it's great that you were giving him the info on how to carry the gun in the vehicle.
Oh yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, if you know, you can't make that mistake again, right?
Right, exactly.
Good job.
Ma'am.
Good for her.
Uh-huh.
Go for it. Stop. Yeah.
He's waiting for his ride, I believe. Like, they've got him cuffed though, which is what I don't understand. Like, if he's waiting for a ride, why does he need to be cuffed? They found a gun in his car. They were telling him how to carry it in the car legally.
Yeah, you need a lockbox and
Yeah.
clip unloaded separately.
I mean, it was great though because they were giving him all the info so that it doesn't happen again.
He's waiting for a ride right now?
I believe so. That's what I heard. Yeah. So if he's getting picked up, why is he in cuffs?
He's detained because he had a firearm.
Oh,
That's why he's detained. He's not under.
but you're letting him go, right?
Yeah, he's not going to go.
So can't you just take the cuffs off then?
For our sake right now, he's going to be detained. But he's not a threat to us. We're not worried about him.
Hold on a second, one second.
I don't care either.
So right now, let me ask you a question.
You might not care, but it's just not necessary.
He's in the commission of a felony and misdemeanor city ordinance violation.
So right now, he's recently stopped for a cell phone violation. Then upon running a check for stuff, he got suspended driver's license. So that's just led to all this other.
You have possession of the firearm, it's unloaded, the clip is removed from
Yeah,
it.
it's all right there.
So I mean, there's really no reason at this point, without any further RAS, it's a moving violation to have him detained in handcuffs. He's just waiting for a ride.
Just for our sake though, we are going to have him detained. But I
But
appreciate it.
I mean, even if he decided, so if he's detained and he didn't have a ride and he decided he wanted to walk home.
We can give him a ride if he wants, but I think you got somebody coming.
But what I'm saying is if he decided he wanted to walk home, you would then take off the cuffs. So the cuffs really aren't necessary at this
Stay on
point.
for now, but I appreciate the info.
All right.
I mean,
Well, maybe.
if it's an officer safety thing, you can store that in your vehicle. That's how it's normally done. But
Yeah.
you don't have any reasonable articulable suspicion for a crime. Legally, under California law, you can't detain him.
But he's detained right now, so that's.
But you've cleared him, right?
No.
Yeah, he's free to go.
But he's detained, so.
But he's free to go. You've cleared him.
He's not free to go yet. We haven't.
No.
He should be able to walk off right now.
He's not free to go yet. We're still having to finish everything up with the vehicle and then the citation that he's going to be receiving as well.
So no crime but detained.
Yes, he committed.
Okay. All right. I'm just checking.
Yeah, no, he committed a crime. We're not going to just detain people just to not detain them. You know what I mean?
Well, I know. I heard that there was improper storage, but
At the end of the day,
right now.
That's crazy.
No, like, so.
Now, he said he was fine with it, but I let him know just because you're fine with it doesn't mean that it's okay.
Is that the most current one on there?
well, his thing is, you can't detain someone for. I mean, you can detain for safety, but there still has to be reasonable articulable suspicion.
But they've said that he's no longer a threat
Or you don't know the,
and that he's just waiting for a ride.
Okay, I got you. Yeah, no, I appreciate it.
Hey guys, accountability for all out here in Pittsburgh, California. You get highway patrol in California. So this guy right now is detained, although there's no reasonable articulable suspicion that he has committed a crime. And this cop just clarified that yep, there's no RAS, there's no crime committed. He's just detaining him because he's exercising his legal right to carry one of those. That's what happens when
Yeah,
your
I
First
don't know.
Amendment right isn't protected by
If you
the
want to
Second.
clarify, he was driving on a suspended license. That was the crime.
Huh?
I didn't mean to like chime in, but his crime was driving on a suspended license. I don't know if you caught that part.
I didn't.
Yeah, he's driving on a suspended
So,
license.
but now the car's getting towed, right?
Yeah, once we finish up all the paperwork that we need to provide to the tow truck, it'll all be taken care of.
Hey, listen, just for like if it's like an officer safety or community safety thing, at least where I'm from, if it's an issue where someone has a firearm and that's in question, improper storage, whatever,
Yeah.
the officers usually take the firearm, place it in their vehicle, because then no one's running up to grab it. There's no issues where you guys feel unsafe.
Well, I can place it in my car if it makes you feel more comfortable.
No, I'm fine. I love the Second Amendment.
Yeah, like I said, yeah, right. So I'm not worried about you guys. You guys are doing what you're doing. I'm not worried about it. That's why it's right here.
Thank you for
if it makes you feel
clarifying.
better, I can put it in here though.
No.
Yeah,
I was just saying if it gets him out of cuffs, you can put it wherever you want.
Yeah,
but
no,
I love this. I love the 2A.
Yeah, you're all good. No worries.
You can tell he's a good gun owner too because his gun seems maintained and clean.
Absolutely.
It's pretty hot, sir. Could he stand in the shade? All right, just wondering. It's just hot. You see the sweat on his forehead, guys. It's pretty bad.
Yeah, and then I'll write it on with no car number. That way you know what
He said it's all right that he's just standing in the sun. Perfectly good shade. What's the temp out here right now?
He's not getting out of that. He gets out a lot of that.
Well, he's only 8 months, so.
Oh, he's a lad, right?
Yeah, he's just big one.
See the sweat.
I mean, like, he's not ever around, like,
Sweating hard.
Oh, if he gets out, he's probably gonna be running around.
Yeah, exactly. Then
Yeah, we're gonna try to take him down. Yeah, no, he'll be-
It's not too bad. He's just sweating pretty bad over there. No, I just want to see what's on the top of it. I'm not going to Alright guys, I gotta head out of here. I filmed what I could. Tried to do what I could. Everybody stay safe, stay hydrated. Have a good day.